Welcome to MTV Cribs, Cellular Respiration. Here is the mitochondria.
It converts food into usable energy in the form of ATP. Within the mitochondria is the matrix,
The inner membrane space, the outer membrane,
and the inner membrane.
There are 3 steps in cellular respiration. Glycolysis, which is outside, the Krebs cycle, and ETC, electrotransport chain. Glycolysis. Glucose turns into 2 pyruvic acids. 2-ADP turns into 2-ATP from a diphosphate to a triphosphate. 2-NAD plus turns into 2-NADH from adding a H plus electron.
Welcome to the transitional phase. Pyruvic acid turns into acetic acid with the byproduct of CO2. The acetic acid then turns into acetyl alcohol and is combined with CoA. With another byproduct, NAD plus turns into NADH.
Welcome to the Krebs cycle. Acetyl-CoA turns into CoA and acetic acid. Acetic acid has a byproduct of 2 CO2 and 3 NAD+, which turns into 3 NADH. Another byproduct is ATP and ADP. And FADH2 comes from FAD. Insane in the membrane.
Welcome to the electron transport chain. It's about to get complicated, y'all. Alright, so here's the membrane, and we have NADH reductase, which adds a hydrogen plus, which pushed outside of the membrane. In this process, NADH becomes NADH plus, as well as FADH2. And between the transport membranes, there is a coenzyme Q. Alright, moving on to the second protein, we have cytochrome reductase, which also has a hydrogen above it. Then between the cytochrome and the cytochrome C, FAD is produced. I think I already said that, but that's okay. So the cytochrome oxidase also has an H plus above it, and from there our hydrogen transports itself to the ATP synthase, and that creates ADP plus P with a circle around it, which then becomes ATP, our desired end product and the energy that makes cells work. Also, during this process, water is produced from an O2 that comes down from the cytochrome oxidase. That's it, y'all.
Thank you for listening.
Bye-bye!